Hi guys, welcome back to my channel RenderRebels. In today's video, we are going to talk about motion control and how you can use it on any of your characters. So let's start by creating our character first. I'm into ChatGPT and let's create a funny character. So you see lots of videos on Instagram of funny characters dancing on certain songs or something like that. So we can do that as well. So let's just go for an Indian touch. I'm going to type here, I want a gorilla wearing a t-shirt and jeans pant like a Indian chapri. So basically chapri means what we say a naughty, like a kind of don kind of thing, mafia kind of thing, but not that mafia, like a chapri we say, okay, in Indian. So if you are Indian, you know what is chapri means, like an Indian chapri. And give me a nano banana to prompt and use or let's just write this only, and give me a nano banana to prompt and his pose is neutral. So let's just press enter and let's just see what we get. Okay, so yeah, Indian chapri. So let's just ask ChatGPT only what does chapri means and you will know. Okay, so what does chapri means? So you will get the idea what does chapri means here. And till then we can generate the image as well. So let's just press Ctrl C and let's just go to Google Flow. Again, I'm using Google Flow for this. So if you don't know how to use Google Flow, you can check out my videos as well. You will know how you can use that as well. So let's just generate two images here. I'm going to make sure that I have a portrait. I'm in image and let's just generate two images here. Let's just wait for it to generate the image. And yeah, what does chapri mean? So chapri, also spelled chapri, is an Indian slang term used mostly in internet culture and street slang, meaning it usually refers to a person who tries too hard to look flashy or cool in a cheap, okay, not in that what we say Prada Gucci way, but in a cheap way. Okay, so like flashy and tight clothes, loud hairstyles and something like that, not that we see in an American culture. That's totally different. So let's just wait for an image to generate here, and we are going to make him like dance like some maybe a person or something like that. So you can see what I am actually telling. So you can see street rebel swag vibe, no rules, and you can see he's wearing a tight t-shirt and a jeans here. So this is looking nice. Let's just wait for the second image to generate as well. Okay, so this is also almost generated. Till it is getting generated, I'm going to use Loom Flow for what we say image to video generation for mimicking motion. So you can see these are the two versions. I like this one the more. So let's just click on download and let's just download a 2K image here. So definitely you can have your own influencer as well, or anything like a dog, a cat, or a cartoon baby, which we see right now on social media, which are going viral. You can use that as well. Now just go to Loom Flow, just click on get started for free. Let's just try again. Okay, and let's just go to here mimic. You will find mimic here. Just click on mimic here and you can see they have lots of presets here. So let's just find a preset which we can use for this gorilla here. So you can see this is looking nice. So let's imagine just gorilla dancing on this. So let's just try this. Okay, so let's just select this, and you can see this is the nasty dance. So this is not looking that much good on that chapri gorilla. Okay, let's just check this as well. Yeah, this maybe looks good, and you can see this is the animal. So let's just go for this. Now you can see we have this motion template here, but we are going to upload our own image. So let's just click on delete here. Let's just upload our own image here, and you can see this is going to add the motion that you want on your character. Okay, so you can see this motion will be added to this character. And let's say if you have your own video of motion, you can definitely do that as well. Just upload it here and you can add your own motion, your own dialogues, or maybe you are talking to a camera and you can mimic that to your AI influencer as well. So you can definitely do that as well. Let's just click on create. And you can see the creation process has basically started here, and we are going to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes to get the output result. So let's just wait for a bit. I will be back once the video is generated, and this is going to be really funny, guys. So let's just wait for a bit. So guys, this is done now, and let me show you the result, how it is looking. It took around like 2 to 3 minutes to get it done. So let me just play it for you guys so you can also see. As well, because maybe I can get a copyright. So you can see. Okay. So I how you can create your own motion control with the help of motion control mimic. You can upload your own video or you can use the template as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want the link to this website, I will leave it in the description. You can definitely check it out. I will see you next time. Till then, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends who wants to learn funny AI videos and how to create them, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.